Okay, with your blades off, you're going to want to get up in here and scrape a lot of this vegetation out. Just to keep that clear up underneath there. Just get yourself a little scraper. Nothing too crazy. Just go around a couple times here to get the bulk of it off. If you got anything that's hard packed in there, you can take time to get it off if you want. Or you can just slide it. I wouldn't take much time like getting in there and scraping really hard, unless it's like really compacted. But one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get this one part most of it off. This is going to help getting this cleaned out. It's going to help a little bit with airflow when you're mowing, which will help the blades suck that grass up so the grass is standing up and it gets cut. But it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be somewhat done. Or you can be like most people, never do it.